Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Bello Kevy. If you are not already subscribed, please do so because that would help me out a lot. So for this week's video, we are here at Disney Springs to ball on a budget. This is the broke man's guide to Disney Springs. Now, with all of that said, let's live our most magical, budget-friendly life. All right, friends, here to help us create this budget-friendly, magical vlog is my co-host, Tony.
Hello! I'm here again.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Are you gonna help us out with a bunch of tips on how to save those coins?
Guys, I'm gonna help you guys out. We're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, we're gonna have live entertainment, all on a budget, but living like a king. We're gonna do this.
That was really good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. All right, so the first thing on our budget-friendly guide to Disney Springs is window shopping. Just because you don't have no money doesn't mean you can't go shopping.
You can try it on.
Yeah.
Put it in your bag.
Yeah. You could walk out of the store with it. And if you get caught, mama, that's your own journey.
That's your own.
We're just here to help you guide through. This is so stupid. No, but in all seriousness, window shopping is a great way to live your most magical life here at Disney Springs if you're trying to do it on a budget. Listen, going to Disney World is expensive and we all can't afford to do every single day. But if you want that Disney magic, Disney Springs offers so much for you to do. You can go to the world of Disney. You can go window shopping at Goofy's Candy Emporium. There is a lot to do. So just because you don't got the toy handy, don't mean you can't live your most magical life.
I smell food.
Girl, bye. All right, friends, welcome to the most magical place here in Disney Springs. This is the Disney Store. Now, if you are coming to Disney Springs and want to live your most magical life, this is where you would do it. Now, if you're coming here, do not bring the kids because they are going to want to buy everything. I'm speaking to my adult human beings who want to live their most magical life. This will give you all that Disney essence without breaking the bank. Now, what you purchase is up to you. That is your own journey, girl. Good luck. All right, what did you find there?
All right, friends, so look out on some of the places where they'll have deals going on. So there's
they got
two
two
for
for
22. So that's a deal.
That is a deal.
So cute.
All right, here goes some of the spring collection for Disney. Guys, how adorable is this Mickey plush? Oh my God. And he's really soft. He's so cute. Now, coming into the Disney store honestly feels like you're in the park. It can get really crowded in here, but the atmosphere is so fun. If you can hear the background music, it really does make you feel like you're inside of the Disney park.
Yeah, Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom, to be precise. Guys, oh my God, they have the Kevin Loungefly. This is from Disney Pixar's Up. Oh my God, this is so cute. Let's open it up. Open her, let's see that lining. Oh my God, it's so cute. How much is it? $95, right?
$80.
$80, okay. Okay. Now, I am a Disney Loungefly connoisseur, but that is not ballin' on a budget. So we have to move on from that. Let's show you guys a few more things they have in here and head to the next store. All right, friends, so I think the one thing we are going to buy here is this Alice in Wonderland tea-themed tea bags. Yeah. It is buy one, get one, we think. The sign was super confusing, so we're about to get online, and I guess we're going to find out if it was buy one, get one. All right, friends, I think this is the only thing we're going to be purchasing here inside the Disney store because we are what?
On a budget.
Balling on a budget.
We're on a budget.
All right, friends, so we just exited World of Disney, and that gave us our little dose of Disney World that we needed.
It's magical, guys. They have everything there. Yes, they do have a lot of toys, but they also have stuff for the kitchen, for your room, or decor. So if you're an extremely Disney fan like we are, this is the best place to be at.
Right, and they do have sales, and that's the point of this video, is balling on a budget. And we found Disney tea bags, buy one, get one. And we ended up saving $22. Doll hairs. Magical. Honestly, magical. All right, friends, so it is time to have a little lunch, and we decided that we're gonna try out, what is this called?
This one's called poutine, daily poutine or poutine. It's French.
It's the daily poutine.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna try. They have like different types of fries that you can indulge in. I think we're gonna go with the pork fries.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna try the Arendelle punch, and we're gonna let you guys know if it is worth the coin, because again, we are balling
on a budget. All right, guys. So at the Daily Poutine, this is what we got. We got the Latin Fritz, which has pork. It has cilantro, beans, this white creamy deliciousness of sauce, tomato. It's mouth-watering, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Now they do have other options. They do have something from Canada. They have an Italian one, and they have a French one. So you take your pick and see what you like. Now for Bello Kevy, I got him this Arendelle punch. It's such a beautiful drink. It has a little bit of that glitter. You can see it more on sunlight. There you go. It reminds me of those high school days with that hypnosis drink that you used to drink. There you go. Give that a try as well.
All right, guys, now these French fries do cost $9, which is not too bad. Now, the drink, the Arendelle punch, costs about $13, which is more on the expensive side. So I don't know how well that's gonna go over, but for $9, this is not bad. So hopefully it tastes great, and we're about to find out right now. That's good. Yeah, that's worth $9. That's really good.
All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a try. Now, you gotta grab the beans, grab all of that.
Wow.
That's what it looks like. Super, super delicious. Let's see what it tastes in my mouth.
Good?
The first thing that you taste is that lemony, cilantro-y
very lemony
flavor. They try to do it like a very Mexican style. It does have tortilla cheese too, so it's these little grains right here. Guys, that's actually cheese. So good. So good. This is worth the $9 for sure.
All right, friends, so this is the Arendelle punch. It does have rum in it, and mama, there is a glimmer of glitter in there. You can't really tell on camera. Maybe if you get it from above. It has like this very like iridescent feel to it. It's very, very pretty. I hope it tastes
just as good. Pretty.
Right. It's fresh. It's like lemonade. It's like a lemonade. It's really good. But I don't taste the rum. So for $13, they served me a cup of juice. All right, friends, we had just got done eating at the Daily Poutine, and now it is time to do some more shopping. So we are going to hit a few more little stores and continue our ballin' on a budget vlog, because we are window shopping.
Yes, and after something salty, you want something sweet.
Ooh.
So we're gonna head out to the Goofy store and check that out.
Ooh, Goofy's Candy Emporium?
Yes.
Oh, so does that mean you're gonna buy me something?
Sure. Oh, why wouldn't I?
Yes! Guys, let's head to Goofy's Candy Emporium because I need something sweet. All right, friends, we are here in front of the Goofy's Candy Emporium to check out what delicious little treats they have. So let's head inside and snag whatever we can. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I want to try to find the best fudge or something chocolate.
All right.
Let's find that.
I like that. Let's do it. Welcome to Goofy's Candy Emporium. I think this is honestly my favorite store here in Disney Springs. Like, there is just so much to look at, and everything is not too bad of a price. So you can walk away with little things to take home for under $10, which is really nice. They have like gourmet Mickey chocolates, Goofy candies, and a lot of stuff in the bakery. And I don't think I've seen anything above $12 here, so If you're balling on a budget, mama, this is the place to go. How well themed is this store? It really does look like a fun, funky candy factory, and I love it. Guys, look at the hidden Mickeys inside the candy. All right, guys, so we exited Goofy's Candy Emporium, and we didn't really find exactly what we're looking for to stop this craving. I was searching for one of those giant lollipops so I can do a photo shoot, but I guess because it's Easter right around the corner, all the candy were completely gone. So now we're looking for something else to kind of satisfy that craving. What are you craving?
I'm craving, I don't know what I'm craving.
No?
I don't know what I'm craving.
Huh?
But I am craving something.
All right, I guess we'll find out. So let's try a few more shops and find that something special. We are standing outside of the Candy Cauldron, and I think this is gonna be the perfect place to grab our something sweet. Are you guys ready? Let's head inside. Guys, welcome to the Candy Cauldron.
If anybody's ready, I can help you on this side.
All right, friends, so we just got our little treats from the Candy Cauldron. What'd you get?
So I got cookies and cream fudge. Guys, if you've watched our previous videos at Universal Studios,
You know, we are fudge connoisseurs.
Our fudge connoisseurs. Look how beautiful that looks.
It is so windy. Sorry, guys.
Right there.
For Gina. And I got a Mickey Mouse sugar cookie.
Wow.
So cute. Stormy, baby. Go in. Good?
Yeah.
Best fudge so far?
No.
What do you think? Give us a review.
You can tell that the actual cookie has been sitting there for a while, guys. It's not really fresh.
Oh,
sorry,
no.
Disney. But yeah. Other than that, the inside is actually still kind of hard, so it's not really moist in terms of it. You know, it just feels a little bit hard.
Right, I got the Mickey sugar cookie, and it's in pink, very fitting. So here we go. A little dry and lackluster. It's just it's Instagrammable, but not that great tasting. Like, I got really great photos with it, but eating it, it's not that fun. All right, friends, so I think that's gonna wrap up this week's video. So I hope that helped with the ballin' on a budget in Disney Springs. So we did get to eat, have a drink, have something sweet, and take a souvenir home for under $60, which is not bad, you know?
No.
A normal price ticket for any of the Disney parks would run you about $160 per person. So if you are coming to Orlando and you want that Disney magic, you can definitely make it happen here at Disney Springs. It's all about the way you Disney. So with that said, that is a wrap for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really loved it, which, come on,
Why not?
you know you did, you can donate to the channel through CashApp and PayPal. As always, we love you for watching, and we'll see ya real soon.
Bye-bye.